Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create your account on Duolingo on your phone. So first of all, launch Duolingo application. Then over here tap on the option of Get Started. Now over here tap on Continue option. Then tap on Continue again. Now over here you have to choose the language that you wish to learn. You can choose any of these languages given from the list below. So you can choose only one language at a time. I'm going to choose Korean and then tap on Continue. Now after this you have to choose how did you hear about Duolingo. So I'm going to tap on this first option that says App Store and then tap on Continue. Now over here you have to choose your language proficiency. I'm going to choose the first option that I am new to Korean. Then tap on Continue. Now over here you have to choose the reason about why you are learning the language. Choose one and tap on Continue. Now tap on the option of Continue again. Now over here you can see various time given per day. Now you have to select what's your daily learning goal. Then tap on I'm committed at the bottom. Now simply tap on the option of Continue again. Now over here tap on the option of Continue again after you go through these details. Then you have to choose where would you like to start. I'm going to choose this first option, that is Start from Scratch, as this option is recommended by the app. So tap on Continue. Now after this, tap on the option of Continue again. Now let's tap on Continue again. Now over here you have to start by learning a Korean lesson or any other language that you have chosen. So you have to go through a trial lesson first. Now after completing your lesson, you'll have to tap on the option of Claim XP. Now after this, tap on the option of Continue. Then tap on Continue again. Now you are able to maintain streaks as well. So over here, you can choose any of these options about how willing are you to maintain your streak in order to learn faster. Then tap on Commit to my goal at the bottom. Now after this, tap on the option of Claim Reward. So after learning certain lessons, you will also win certain rewards. Then tap on Continue. Then tap on the option of Create Profile. Now let's start by entering your age first. Then after this, you have to enter in your name. Then enter in your email address. After this, tap on the option of Next. Then you have to create a strong password for your account. After entering in your password, simply tap on Create Profile. Now over here, you can also find friends, but I'm going to tap on Maybe Later for now. Now over here you can also subscribe to Duolingo Super. You can start your free trial for 2 weeks, but for now I'm just gonna tap on the option of No Thanks. Now after this, tap on the option of Continue. Now if you tap on the 3 dots and tap on Profile, you can see that I have successfully been able to create my Duolingo profile on my mobile phone. So that's it for today, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.